to one and all, thanks for staying back till now. Okay. Dear ISBNs, I want to share with you a few thoughts about the Operations and Sustainability Council and how effective and efficient a director I would be if elected for this council. So basically, those 4 pictures over there, they refer to food, infrastructure, IT, and sustainability. And these are the 4 areas that come under Operations and Sustainability Council. I'm going to take an inside-out approach. I'm going to talk about why I want to be an OSC director, and then I'm going to tell you how I'm going to be an effective director, and then I'm going to tell you what I bring onto the table. Okay? So, Subramanian Kota, why? Why I want to be an OSC director? In short, experienced, expressive, enterprising, and energetic individual are waiting to get a chance to bring constructive changes in the operations and sustainability scenario at ISB. Experienced, 3 years of operations experience with Schlumberger in 6 countries. Okay, Academic Affairs Secretary at IIT Madras. I started my previous secretary gave me 2 companies per day. I increased it to 6 companies per day at IIT Madras. Expressive, I'm an active Toastmaster, and then I'm an ex-Senate member of IIT Madras, the highest decision-making committee at IIT Madras. There are only 2 students who are in the Senate, and there are 140 professors. So if you want to voice out for the students, you can choose no better guy than me. Okay, enterprising. Constructed India's first tensegrity cover and smart material bridge. I'm a passionate civil engineer. The articles related to both these structures have been put up on my manifesto. Energetic. Those of you who have seen me in the Ashray Akruti triathlon, you have seen me cycling, and you know how energetic I am. I won the first place there. In short, I'm a responsible and accountable leader. One thing is responsibility, another thing is accountability. Okay, what are the 4 P's of operations? How am I going to do it? Operations. There's a project, and then there's planning that is required for any project. Then there is perseverance. This is the missing key. This is the missing key in many cases. And then there's performance. These are my 4 P's of operations, and this is how I'm going to do it. Okay. Coming to what's in the box, the exciting stuff. Most of it is very self-explanatory. Food monitoring committee. The food quality, did it improve? Even by an epsilon amount? No. So we need people to be on the backs of these contractors. A 24/7 cafe 3 days before the exams. We do need that. But we can't have it on all the days because the revenues didn't seem to be very good in the previous year. Snack vending machines and coffee machines that will listen to you outside your LTs. You can either use a smart card or you can use flexible denominations. Juice shop near Rec Center. Then coming to SVs, microwave ovens. I put it up on Facebook and about 38 people said they need it. So we are going to get it, right? Washing machines needs to be repaired and replaced. Okay, common rooms can be turned into entertainment zones. Then LCDs in all SVs, not just SV4. Okay. IT and LRC. Venue booking system with Outlook. Atrium search sucks. We all know that. We need to integrate it with Google search. And ISB communicator. We can have a Microsoft Office communicator for all ISBs. Okay. Then zero waste management and carbon footprint reduction. I'm already working with the Director of Operations, Nalin Srivastava, on this carbon footprint reduction. More questions, I will answer you. So some of the innovative and enterprising stuff that I propose. So golf carts with solar panels, right? And touchscreen kiosks. Imagine 4 touchscreen kiosks in the atrium, and anybody who enters into ISB into the atrium explores about ISB from these touchscreen kiosks. And what's the brand value that you get? Okay, smart cards is already in the pipeline. Okay, this is my vision in some Kabir's words. Kal kare so aaj kare so pal mein pal ho jayega, bahut karega. I'm a do it now person, and I don't take chances, and I don't take second chances. Right. In short, if you're convinced, please vote for me and convince just another person to vote for me. Thank you very, very much for that.